Good morning, children. Welcome to AyaansEasyMath. The question is given now. Solve the system of equations x plus log of x plus root of x plus x square plus 1 equal to y plus log of y plus root of y square plus 1 equal to z plus log of z plus root of z square plus 1 equal to x. So this is the question given from Israeli Mathematical Olympiad 1995. So those who are new to this channel, subscribe the channel so that you can get the latest updates. Your subscription is very important. This is a new channel. So pause the video for 10 seconds and think about this problem. Can you get the solution? If you are not having any ideas, you can continue the video. If any easy methods are there, you can comment in the comment box. We are going to start the problem. Okay, ma. So here given x plus log of x plus root of x square plus 1 is equal to y. So here x should be equal to y. So the log value is extra here. So it is not difficult to guess. It is not difficult to guess. Very easy problem. Not difficult to guess that. Not difficult to guess that x is equal to y is equal to z equal to 0 is a solution. So here is there any other solution other than this? We are going to check whether we are having any other solutions for this. So here let us check for other solutions. Let us see whether there are other solutions. That is very important. You have to check for other solutions also. So here first we'll take case 1 now. So in this case you will take x is greater than 0. We are taking that x is greater than 0. Then what will happen? Log of x plus root of x square plus 1 is also greater than 0. So from 1, so let it be 1 now. This is 2 and this is 3. From 1 we can write we get y is greater than x greater than 0. Y is greater than x greater than 0. From the second one we get same logic you will apply. So here z is greater than y greater than 0. From the third one you can write third one you will get x is greater than z greater than 0. If you take all these three at a time, you are getting x is greater than z, z is greater than y, y is greater than x, all are greater than 0. So which is impossible. So which is impossible. So here this is the first condition, case 1. If you take case 2, if x is less than 0, here you have taken x is greater than 0, here you are taking x is less than 0, then x plus root of x square plus 1 will be negative 1 by minus x plus root of x square plus 1 is less than 1 now. So here from 1 we get y is less than x less than 0. Y is less than x less than 0 from 2. From the second one we get z is less than y less than 0. From the third one we get x is less than z less than 0. So if you take all the three, x less than z less than y less than x less than 0. So this is which is again impossible, which is again impossible, which is again implausible. Okay, therefore the only solution, the only solution is x is equal to y equal to z equal to 0. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.